In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Instantly account. This process is quite straightforward, and before you know it, you'll be exploring all the features Instantly has to offer. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the website Instantly.ai. This is the starting point where you'll access Instantly's suite of sales engagement and lead intelligence tools. Once the page has fully loaded, direct your attention to the Get Started button. Click it to initiate the sign up process. After clicking Get Started, you'll be directed to a sign up page. Rather than filling out forms manually, you can expedite the process by clicking on Sign Up with Google. This is a quick and secure way to create your account using your existing Google credentials, saving you time and effort. As you proceed, there's a highlighted section that draws your attention. Go ahead and give it a click to continue. Following this, you'll see the Sign Up with Google option. Again, you might wonder if you did something wrong, but don't worry, it's just reconfirming your choice. So click on it once more to keep moving forward. Next, a friendly prompt appears inviting you to help Instantly know you better. Go ahead and click on Let's Get to Know You. This step is designed to personalize your experience with the platform. Following that, you'll encounter a query that asks, "Where did you find us?" Choose the option that best applies to you, such as a friend, if that's how you were introduced to Instantly. This information is helpful for Instantly's community growth insights. The journey continues with another prompt asking, "What best describes your industry?" Select the option that reflects your professional background, such as recruiting, to ensure you receive relevant content and recommendations tailored to your needs. Then you'll be asked about your company size. This is to better understand your needs and streamline your platform interaction. For many, selecting 1 to 10 can be typical for small teams or independent users, so pick the option that aligns best with your situation. Once all these details are completed, click on Continue. You've almost finished your setup. You're at the doorstep of utilizing Instantly's powerful tools. Finally, you might be offered a brief tour highlighting Instantly's main features. However, if you're keen to jump right in and explore at your own pace, you can click Skip Tour, and there you have it. You're all set to explore Instantly and take advantage of its resources. Remember, setting up your account is just the first step. The real fun begins as you delve into its features and start achieving your sales engagement goals.